Does nail polish fix windshield cracks? No, it's a persistent myth that lacks any real basis. Windshield cracks are caused by impacts, temperature changes, or debris, creating fractures that need proper sealing. While it seems like a quick fix, nail polish simply doesn't have the properties needed to properly seal or repair auto glass. It's made of nitrocellulose, pigments, and solvents, which dries hard but lacks the elasticity and strength to bond glass. Automotive experts and organizations like AAA, Safelite, and the Auto Glass Safety Council strongly advise against this method. Using nail polish can lead to more damage and potential safety hazards. Using nail polish on windshield cracks poses several serious risks. First, it doesn't seal the crack effectively, allowing moisture and debris to enter and worsen the damage. The proper fix for windshield cracks is to use certified resin-based repair kits, which are designed to fill and stabilize cracks effectively. These kits are widely available and can handle cracks under 6 inches.